Yo, what up? What up? Good morning. Good morning. GM. Friday, August 22nd, 2025. Look at that. Another beautiful day to have a beautiful day. I got my co-host in the house, Tyler. Good morning. How you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic. It looks like we had several days of bleeding for a triumphant Friday return, boys. We are printing some big green candles out there here today.
Are we?
Ooh, baby.
Are we? Damn. Okay. I guess we are. So Jackson's Hole. Do you guys see a little typo I made on the spaces on purpose? Yeah, that was a clever. It was a good one, no? Come on. So Fed Chair is speaking now. Let's see what he's saying. It sucks. I don't know if you get to hear. I hate this browser thing, by the way. Did you hear?
No.
Okay. I have an idea. If I put it, well, anyways, or we could just let him speak and then read the conversation. It looks like traders are adding bets on Fed interest rate cut in September right now. Okay, so looks like it's going the way we want it to go. I mean, at least the charts is the best way to tell, right? Like, look here. This guy's always, traders add to bets on prediction market, tariff effects on we could also just track poly market rate cuts here. Which one? Is it this one? This is the main market, right? $14 million volume?
No, go to the September
rate cut.
Just type September. Just type September.
This one?
No, just type in September. Sorry.
Do you remember?
It's ripping. So the 25 bips was at like 50%.
And we're ripping.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, people are buying.
I don't know. I'm just gonna say it again. You're gonna give me 50x on 50 bips. I still kind of like it.
Is this? Yo.
45x.
Well, I should put like $100 on this shit right now. I just logged in again. I was like, wait, $100 returns 4,100.
I saw 41x. All right.
Wait, let me see. I haven't placed a prediction on there in like ever. How's this work?
You'll move the line a little bit, yeah.
So if I put $100, I forgot how play market works. Oh, done. Okay. Fuck it. We ball. I don't know. I guess I have $100 on this. I got some cash in this account. I don't even know.
How about that?
Look at this. Look how terrible I am. I'm negative 1,000.
I'm a little scared to check mine. I'll have to try to figure out what mine is.
Yeah. All right, we bought the 50 bips. I mean, if I make money on that tally, I'll just give you 10% of that. How's that? There you go.
Deal. That's a good deal.
That's a good deal. There you go. That's a nice little steak dinner for the family, for Tyler Did It household. I mean, I saw the price of beer you're paying for. I'm not sure you can get much.
Man, yeah. Hopefully Powell is not paying attention to Wrigley beer prices when he's figuring out if we should cut the rates or not, because inflation has hit the Windy City, at least in terms of baseball stadiums. I can say that.
You're paying $17 for a beer. Actually, it's funny. My mom was at the Boston airport the other day, and she paid like $20 for a beer. I was like, the fuck?
It is
pretty wild. Pretty fucking okay. Fed watch is at 75.5. It's like the odds of a rate cut are going up as he's talking. What is he saying right now? Powell's saying, blah, blah, blah. He's saying Powell's citing job risk, open door to cuts, but doesn't commit. Oh, did he just open a door to cuts? Is that what we're saying? Hold on.
Yeah, he's coming dovish. He's saying current conditions may warrant interest rate cuts. So
he said that word for word?
Yeah. So what do you want to look for in Jackson Hole typically is he is going to like signal what they're going to do. So it's a little bit less of kind of like dancing around and just kind of high level talk. The idea is he's going to start giving more of a picture of what to expect for the rest of the year.
Okay. What?
And it looks like he's signaling that rate cuts are coming.
Cut the rates.
Too late, pal.
Oh,
man. ETH is close to 4,500. Bitcoin's close to back to 114.8.
And we're going into a low volume weekend.
We're walking into an abundant weekend.
Shabbat shalom, motherfuckers. On today's show, markets, Tyler's top 100. Mando's going to pull up at some point. And then last but not least, we have 2 winners today. So we already picked, because we have the little spinner thingy in the back end for a subscriber. So a lucky sub is going to win again. And then just a regular spin, like one of you guys listeners listening live on the show will win. So 2 winners for Farcoin Friday for the corn race. We came close last week on that Farcoin hit. So that was a lot of fun. Last but not least, this show is powered by Wallet Connect. Wallet Connect is connectivity network shaping the future of on-chain UX. If you've connected to Web3 app, you've seen Wallet Connect. That blue logo, it's everywhere. An icon of trust in crypto, as recognizable as Visa at checkout. Want to learn more? Follow Wallet Connect on X and Telegram to stay ahead of what's next. But also Kraken Pro. With Kraken Pro, you get full control over your layout. Drag and drop any module. Customize it all. It's clean. It's smooth. These mics sound nice. And built for real traders. If you trade crypto, check out pro.kraken.com. Trade without trade-offs. Tyler, we're going straight to you again. Love that.
Let's do it.
See, I need to pre-prep my button, dude. What am I doing? I pressed the wrong button. I'm in my weird settings now. Hold on. Where did I go? Oh, there it is. Hold on. There you go.
For daily NFT and crypto analysis. Tyler T on FOMO hour calls the kids can't miss.
Folks, live breaking news this morning. Crypto majors are ripping as Powell comes out dovish at Jackson Hole. We've got ETH up 4.5%, 44.90. Bitcoin up 1%, 114.8. Bitcoin was at 112 just an hour ago. So basically a 3% move off the bottom for Bitcoin. Sol's up 1%, 187. Several alts are starting to move here as well. OKB, the OKX token, just continues to grind up. It was up another 7% today, coming out of its burn event. The ETH ETFs posted the first day of net inflows yesterday, 287 million.
Wow.
A decent day after 4 red sessions, and I think you can expect that trend to continue today. MetaMask, we talked about yesterday, they announced their stablecoin mUSD. This was an interesting one. This got the timeline talking a bit. You may have seen this. A long dormant Bitcoin whale moved about 600 Bitcoin, around $60 million, and then opened leveraged long positions on ETH. They sold a chunk of Bitcoin and went long ETH.
Interesting.
So some folks were trying to have some takeaways from that. We had the OCC rescind their consent order against Anchorage Digital after the bank is meeting AML compliance. The EU considering dropping its CBDC plans for a stablecoin instead. So I think you love to see that. In corporate treasuries, we had the Vivo Power that they're pivoting into an XRP and Ripple treasury. They acquired $100 million in Ripple shares yesterday alongside the XRP token. And then SharpLink this morning, they opened up a $1.5 billion share buyback program. So that was a big announcement from Joe Lubin and crew. In token airdrop and protocol news, it was a lighter day. Plasma's XBL token went live for pre-market perps trading on Hyperliquid. It opened around a $4.5 billion FDV. That is a 8 to 9x from those who got in on the pre-sale. So the pre-salers are loving life this morning. And then Coinbase is adding Trump-backed USD1 stablecoin to its listing roadmap. In memes, rounding this out, meme coin leaders were green this morning. I'm expecting them to be even more green now. Yeezy, YZY fell another 37% to 69 cents and $89 million market cap. So not a whole lot of demand for that thing. Spark, Troll, and Biddy were some of the on-chain movers on Solana. And NFTs, a couple headlines. That hyped mint Cerebro, it was trading below mint price. I think that surprised a lot of folks, right around 0.08 ETH. And then XCopy, this addition of 10, which I guess is more like an addition of 4 because 6 were lost.
I saw that.
Death Wannabe sold for $475,000. So XCopy remains very hot. That's our rundown.
Let's I want to start with that last point. I didn't know about this so obviously, like, I've done a ton of research on XCopy because I was like obsessed with it at some point. When I was buying, I had that one piece of mine I sold during the bear market, but and I didn't know this. This is crazy. So where were they lost? The 6 of the 10.
Yeah, I don't know if I know the.
Do you know a story? Is there a thread on it? I don't know if someone has one. Maybe,
I just sent you. So the buyer posted a little bit about it. So Benji, they've added their 60th XCopy piece to the Pella collection. So they're serious collectors. He was saying this was minted back on May 9th, 2018 as a part of the Rare Art Labs. It was an edition of 10. He's saying only 4 copies were able to be rescued.
I mean, it's, let's see. So today a collection of cards. That's want to be interesting.
I don't know exactly how they were lost. I guess if the platform shut down and they didn't. Yeah,
I'm really curious. Genuinely, just like, I thought it was super cool. I like this piece. It's nice. It's proper X copy.
It
Dude,
is.
Eli,
Eli's everywhere. We got to get him on to talk about what's.
Where's Eli?
He's
probably
brokering
on right
every
now.
deal. He's brokering every deal. I said this on Underexposed. I think there's a world where X copy pieces go just to the stratosphere.
Well, they will. No, they will. Like,
Yeah.
over like. And by the way, this is like, you can't even time it. It's like 10 years, 20 years. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, this is gonna be like the, you know what I mean? This is like, I mean, like it's X copy, right?
And it's tough. So like, I mean, 400. So I think where it gets more interesting is the additions, right? So like, there are additions that you can pick up for a few $100,000.
The best edition is the one I sold, sadly, but I think it's still pick-upable. It was his Genesis known origin piece, the Doomed, which is like, and it minted in 18, and then it took a year and a half, 437 days to mint. They were $5. I think I sold it for like 50 grand, 60 grand, 70 grand. I forgot. I want to say liquidity to trade. I like that one a lot.
I'm trying to find it. It's so hard to find X pieces on OpenSea. Like,
the way you got to go about it is, let me show you. You got to go, it's like known origin, X copy, it's through this known origin. Also, the search on OpenSea should be more like a Google search, I feel. Like, just give me all the options, you know?
Yes, please.
I can probably go find it through I always go like this. I have to go through my wallet that I sold it from. Go to my activity. Find the sale. And then, where is it? That was when I was sad to sell, I'm not gonna lie. But it made sense. I don't know where it is, dude.
We can come back to it. I'm laughing because like the coins are just absolutely going.
Are they? Let's go there. Let's go to the coins.
Let's pull up some coins. I think
let's put them up. Let's start Bitcoin. Let's go straight to the coins. It appears that we are ripping. The timeline is bullish again. Everybody bought the bottom, by the way.
Here's the thing. Before we get into the specifics, there were so many bottom signals.
Oh my God.
Commentary on the timeline.
Yo, that MYRIAD market. The one with 116 for tonight.
Oh, there was a 116 market?
It's tonight. We talked about it with Manda. Remember, it's like a 2% move?
Oh, man.
Hold on. Sol is 192?
Oh, baby.
Hold on. Where is it? Where's that market? The 116 one. Fuck. Hold on. Is it on Linea?
Close?
Oh, it may have closed.
Yeah. I'll try to find it.
Oh, here. This is it. Bitcoin price above 115 by end of week. Yo, get the fucking yes.
Guys, get into this market. Slam yes. Slam yes ASAP.
Yo, this is crazy. This is insane. Hold on. That's insane. Y'all should be ripping that right now, bro. Let me send it to the power users chat. I love these lads. They're fun. Guys.
Yeah, send it to chats, and then let's get back to these tokens because this is
oh my God. This is so funny.
46.50, folks. Tom Lee, this quant, they told you to buy at $4,075. Did you listen?
Did you listen?
This is craziness. He literally gave the bottom and then painted it on the chart.
Let's pull up the Ethereum chart, dude.
You could have gone 100x long. You could have gone 100x long off 40.75.
Dude, but they didn't go long, Tyler. They don't believe. They're not like you and I and Mando. They don't believe. Bunch of fucking wimps on the timeline. They don't believe.
Bulls are back in control, as they should be.
But we were not. When were we not in control? We bounced off of. Oh, right, off of the last high.
Yeah.
Yo, intern, we gotta get a clip of like just the magical lines we drew the other day of just the one-liners that we drew. Come on, dude. I don't want to get too bullish because Fridays usually we dump like crazy after, but I have to say this is comedy.
Yeah. So big rebounds. ETH is back at 4,600. I mean, it's just showing. Everyone was just waiting for the green light today, and I think somewhat understandable.
Yeah, we're selling off a bit off of that short squeeze. That was beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, that was kind of a crazy run there. So not a surprise that we take a look.
That was funny. It's so good.
Man, anyone who went long into J-hole is having a very good morning.
I mean, look, I never deleted the line.
Yeah, the line held. So 112 held on Bitcoin, which I think you wanted to see that.
Where's the Ethereum line?
Clear reversal patterns here from a TA perspective.
Man, some of you guys are pathetic on the timeline. Pathetic. Look at that. What was it? It was 48. It was this. It was literally we bounced off of that. That's the line we even drew it the other day. I could go back on the show, but it was here. There we go.
Now these ETH treasuries are going to have to buy the ETH a little bit more expensive next week. It looks like SBET's up 10%. I'd love to see that.
Pathetic bears. Look at that. SBET's up 10 points. What's BMNR stock? Wow. 8%. Strategy. Because strategy got a beating after the Sailor stuff. What is it at? It's up also a bit. Pathetic. Where's my Fartcoin at? I know it was doing really bad today.
People are starting to call for the death of Fartcoin, which maybe is what we need.
This is good. Don't worry, dude. I was there for the death of Pepe. I was there for the death of Mog. I was there for the death of REKT when it went to 12 mil. I was there for the death of Ethereum. There for the death of Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin died at 15K, right? Was it now today? What's Bitcoin at? That's 115K. Just checking. Tyler, it's a beautiful day to be a bull. I mean, also like being a bear just sucks, right? Because you're a bull, price is bad. You just log off, go take care of your family or some shit, you know?
The amount of money you can make as a bear is just so much more capped than it is to being a bull. It's the money you can make being in short positions versus long. It's just math. It just doesn't make sense.
Oh my God. That is funny.
What a day. I'm trying to see if we can get any more updates out of Powell.
Yeah, let's see the timeline. So let's take our talents to Twitter right now. Let me share my screen so people can read what I'm reading here. Let's go here. Let's go to my post notifications. All right. So ETH tops 24, 40. Trump will talk to Xi about TikTok. Okay, I don't care. We'll watch security concerns or okay, we don't care about TikTok right now. A short squeeze, yes. All right. Oh, look at the morning minute. Look at that.
There it is.
There it is. Tyler's morning minute on Decrypt Media. I love to see that. I think Powell's done talking, right? Because there's not been any notifications in a while.
I guess I don't know how long he was talking.
Yeah, it must be done. Because all the people that were hosting right now, Kobe posted his laughing face. Oh, I got a quote to
Kobe
that.
needed this more than anyone, right? Kobe, his whole rep was on the line. He promised us up only, and it was down only.
I fucking love this timeline. Dude. What's Easy saying? Because Easy's been following it closely. Hold on.
DXY sold off. Okay.
Not hawkish. We didn't want him hawkish, right?
Correct.
There you go. What? Who knows what? Oh, I like this tweet. This tweet of Easy.
Yeah, he was talking on the show this morning. Yeah.
I like that. I like Easy. I really fuck with him. Powell. Okay. Looks like it was a positive. I mean, dude.
Good start. Very good start.
Love how all week long, every motherfucker was like, Powell's gonna destroy coins the weekend, bro. 106K, bro. 38,400, bro. Like maybe 2,800. Your Solana's going to 85. Yo. I saw 85 yesterday.
Did you really?
I did.
85?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
And like 2,800 to 3,400 on ETH, bro.
Yeah.
Crazy.
36K Bitcoin.
Yeah. By the way, the code today, if you want to win some money, is JPOW. we can't fire the guy. He's back. He's back. You know what I mean? He's back.
He's
Did you
back.
see how tired he looked at the airport? See that
He's
photo?
tired from knowing.
See that photo I posted this morning on the MYRIAD
He
account?
looked very tired.
Look at that. You see that? This is the face of someone who's coming to pump our bags.
He was preemptively tired from all the winning that he is projecting out into the markets for the rest.
I love that.
I feel like this. Okay, CME is starting to move now. 87%, 89% for September.
No way.
That's now okay.
What? It was just 74% on the show.
It was like 69%.
Oh my God. What a pump. What a pump.
So that's back,
boys.
now. For December, 50% for 2 cuts, 38% for 3 cuts. So 87% for 2 to 3 cuts. Market likes it. Stocks are up a couple percent as well. I'm
no questions. I just got a text. He took no questions, nothing. Speech and got the fuck out.
Perfect. That's
we don't want questions because he's fucking feds asking questions like, well, what do you think about Donald Trump? You know, they always fucking talk for nothing, dude.
We don't have any additional nuance. No more nuance. No more ways that this could go the opposite.
No nuance. So now it's like, I wish Mando was here to tell us when the next like numbers and whatever is like the macro stuff. But like, when's the next Fed meeting? It's end of September.
September
16.
Okay, so that's a little earlier in the month. So we've got about 3 weeks till then.
Market's gonna rip into the weekend, dude. Like honestly, like ETH's gonna hit all-time high this weekend.
So here's the thing. And maybe this is the year we break it. I actually wrote a full newsletter on this. So, and you know me, Permabull. We are coming up on a strange month. It's called Ghost Month. Are you familiar with Ghost Month?
No.
Ghost Month is essentially the unlucky month in Asia. So it's, in many Asian cultures, it's a time when spirits are believed to roam the earth. And as I understand,
what the fuck are you talking about, Tyler?
As I understand, the Asians don't like to trade during this month.
But how do you determine Ghost Month? Is that a September thing?
It's the 7th lunar month of the year. So it's typically late August to late September. And so I went back. I wrote a newsletter. It's up on Decrypt.
Stop, dude.
You can look historically. This is a very, very red month. Bitcoin averages a minus 12% return in Ghost Month. Some of the worst sell-offs ever. 2017 it went down 40%. 2021 it went down 23%. And even in some of the bull years, we've had drawdowns 12 to 20%. So I hate writing stuff like this. You know I do. But some of my trading buddies were telling me about Ghost Month. And hey, we've been talking like GCR's call is what the East is going to drive the crypto markets in this next cycle. We've got Luca dedicating most of his focus to Asia right now. If we're going to say that, then we have to be aware of Ghost Month. And Ghost Month is historically.
So when does Ghost Month start?
Soon. Starts tomorrow. Starts tomorrow.
And how long does Ghost Month last?
I would assume a month. So looks like
you had to ruin the parade.
We're not going to ruin the parade.
There you go. You start talking about Ghost Month and we're dumping.
I don't know. Bitcoin
may literally go to 12K here.
We're still good. We're still up quite a bit. I don't know what to do with that information, if I'm being honest. Like it feels like a trend that is big enough to understand and be conscious of. But at the same time, I mean, maybe Powell signaling rate cuts are coming is going to be enough for us to beat the Ghost Month, the Ghost Bears. And I actually was wondering if that's part of why we were selling off. So we were selling off on the Korea Open every night this week. It was 6 p.m.
So Asians are dumping.
That's
Asia's
what was
dumping.
happening. So it was easy to draw the narrative that perhaps they were front running Ghost Month. But I mean, now we're back. So I guess where are we at on the week? So Bitcoin's still down 2.5% on the week. It looks like ETH is even on the week. So
Ghost week. I think Solana's up. Yeah, 7 days. No, barely. Okay.
yeah,
No,
still red.
Still red. Baby red. USDC is down 22% of the week.
USDC.
Tron's green on the week. Chainlink is up 17% this fucking week, dude. Jesus. Link Maroons.
This is why Mando's not here. He's out hanging with the Link Marines.
Mando.
This weekend.
I see. That's why Mando's not here. Wow, it's looking good too. All right. Well, look, some good news, some exciting news, an exciting show. Everyone, I want to see some retweets. By the way, I pinned the Degenz live kick thingy at the top. So make sure you retweet the show on video. Make sure you subscribe to us. We host a good show. What else? Okay, we talk market. Look, J Powell, positive. X copy, all that good stuff. What else was good? I know a lot of the attention was just this J Powell thing. It's behind us now. So
yeah, there wasn't. Yesterday was a very quiet day. One of the more quiet that I can remember. I think the XPL token going live is an important story for folks to be aware of. It's trading on Hyperliquid. So if you go to Hyperliquid Perps, you'll be able to find it.
Okay.
Started trading at around 4 a.m. this morning. So XPL is the token for Plasma. Plasma is the stablecoin chain backed by Tether. So the narrative is like this is how you get access to Tether. And there was a lot of demand to access the presale. You had to deposit stables, and based on how much you deposited, gave you access to the presale. The presale was around a $500 million FDV. It is now trading at 4.36 billion FDV. So anyone who got in on that presale on paper is up 8x. I don't know when the TG is. I don't know when they're going to be able to get their tokens and sell, if they're going to be able to get 100% unlock. I don't know the details of that, but they are feeling good about their presale entries here this morning for sure.
Okay. Well, I haven't really followed, honestly, so I don't really know that much. What's going on that front?
Just generally, like this, the stablecoin narrative is clearly one of the biggest of this cycle. It feels like every day I'm writing 3 or 4 bullet points about a big stablecoin headline from the past day.
Yeah, see, I wish Manu was here to answer that too, but I don't understand why there's so many stablecoins. Is that a stupid question?
It is a good question. I guess my gut is that there may not be that many barriers to getting them set up. They are clearly a very profitable business, and there's a lot of appetite for it. Like my mom, who just like loosely follows crypto, was saying like should she be investing in stable coins? And so I think that's telling you kind of what is permeating more the mainstream. Like what are the crypto narratives that are getting out there right now? And I think the stablecoin one is clearly getting out there. And there aren't that many ways to bet on stablecoins on chain, right? So in stocks, you can buy Circle. On chain, like what are you going to buy? You have like ENA, which has done incredibly well. And now XPL, which is the Tether chain. So the narrative is pretty clear. I don't know where it's going to go from here. 4.5 billion FTV feels like a fair valuation. It's like it's less appetizing. Like I'm not like looking to go big long at 4.5 billion. I'll probably let this shake out a bit. But it was a good trade for anyone who got in on the presale.
Yeah. It's yeah, you're right. I get it, I guess. I'm not too into the whole stablecoin game, but I don't know. All I know is that we have a friend in common that needs Circle to go to 0. That's all I know about Circle.
What's the health doing today?
What? Yeah, what is going on? I mean,
It
look,
was up
we don't have to
7%.
go too long either. We got some 2 double giveaway, but
Yeah.
what else was there? Like, what's the timeline? The timeline, because I feel like everything was just J Powell overhang, and it's finally over.
Yeah. Now we can move on with our lives. It
Yeah.
seems like, which is good. REKT had a nice pop.
Well, Tom Lee's saying we're early cycle.
I'm with Tom.
4 minutes ago.
Top of the first.
Top of the
Top of the first of the institutional bull run.
Okay, fine. You can have that one. Not the other one. Tom Lee, baby. Tom.
What a guy.
What a gentleman and a scholar.
He literally gave us the exact bottom.
It's just like when Trump was saying like buy now, and then the market pumped to like all-time highs. Same shit all over again. They're like, you have like people in suits in Wall Street now telling you when to buy this shit.
This was there's not enough people talking about this. I'm a casual perps trader. I'm not a deep perps trader, and I'm bad at it. But we had one of the most important people moving markets in crypto tell us the exact number to go long. And if you did, basically with any leverage you wanted, and held it for 2.5 days, you were up so much.
I love this guy.
You're up 10x. If you did 10x long, you're up 100%. If you did 25x long, you're up 250% in 2.5 days.
Oh man,
I want to make this my PFP.
I love this guy. I love his glasses too. I need to get myself some thick frames like that. Actually, I have one on the way. Wow.
And you know what? We love Joe Lubin and Sharp Link. So we need our call to action for that crew is they got to get their Tom Lee out there. They got to get the funny guy out, give him the.
I had a meeting with Joe Lubin this week. We have a quarterly meeting with Joe. I had on Monday, and he was wearing this T-shirt. I said, and his T-shirt read, "Nobody cares, works harder," and I was like, "Wow, that's my quant." That's my quant. I love that. And then and at the end of the call, we're talking all things MYRIAD and where we're at and what's coming up. Because for those of you who don't know, Joe Lubin has got a pretty important stake in our company over at Consensus, at Decrypt Rock Radio and MYRIAD Markets. I'm just saying, read between the lines and get bullish, y'all. But I told him at the end, I said, "Hey, Joe, you gotta buy faster. Your boy Tom Lee is going pretty fast." I just had to slide that in, And then he was just smirking. He always has this like smirk to him, okay, shit.
Here's the thing about Joe, and I see that smirk too. I feel like he's already thought 5 moves ahead. It's like he knows what's coming, and we don't.
Way ahead.
And I think that's part of the reason why I'm bullish. I'm an SBET shareholder. I haven't been shaken out in the dip. So we'll see. The daily trading volumes have been lower, but I bet today's volumes are going to be quite high. So they're going to have some nice ammo for next week. And then we briefly hit the headline, but the headline here, you were showing that they announced $5 billion stock buyback. This is a little bit above my pay grade, but what I understand is, so typically with these ATM programs, your stock is trading at a premium to your ETH holdings. You take the volume and you sell a chunk of shares into it, raising cash so that you can buy more ETH. That's how these programs work. Everyone knows that. There's always questions of, okay, so what happens when mNAV goes below?
Yeah.
mNAV programs like this now enable them to use cash to buy their shares back, which can inspire investor confidence. It can allow them to have more shares to, again, sell back at a higher, if they think their share, effectively bet on themselves, right? If they think the shares are going to go up, have it traded at a premium mNAV, then they can sell them back there. So I think it's a good headline. Bitmine has the same. They have a very similar program. I don't know the exact dollar amount, but in line. So SBET was actually lagging Bitmine in the buyback department. Now they've got it. So I think that will help the stock a bit in the near term as well, which we're already starting to see. It's outperforming ETH today. Am I saying
Jackson's home, baby?
Bitcoin fresh yearly high. Let's pull ETH Bitcoin and fresh high.
We're still running, dude. Like we're running the entire time we're talking. Like we're about to hit 116. A lot of MYRIAD predictors are in shambles right now. This morning it was 4%. The market that would say close today at 116K. It was at 4%, 115. It was at 4%.
No way.
Yeah. I saw a screenshot someone sent. It was at 4%. It went from 4% to, let me tell you. Let's see. We may have moved the line again ourselves here. Where is it? Here. It's at 55 now. Look at this. It's insane. What a
Guys,
move.
I mean, so that's probably the right number now. 55.
Yeah, because you're assuming that we close above 115, so you're right there.
There's still some time.
But dude, like, I think we have a lot of new markets. What's Sim's thing? But yeah, I don't know, man. It's
what other markets look interesting now after this big pump? So ETH.
Well, this one, like 105 or 125, still just 58% yet, like 125.
It's definitely 125, right? Like I think 105 is very safe now, unless.
But you're still getting good odds. Like you're still getting like 63% trade on that. Like that's a better trade than any meme coin you're gonna buy, by the way. Like that's what a lot of people don't realize. I mean, the liquidity is not as deep, and that we're solving for that extremely soon. By the way, like this coming month in September, we're about to deploy a fuck ton of liquidity to MYRIAD markets and a lot of markets, guys. It's actually ridiculous what's gonna happen in September. But still, like you're still getting more odds, right? What else is looking at? Let's go to crypto. We have 31 crypto markets right now. So this one's fun, though. You know, tell me.
Pingu
XRP 4.2. I mean, Ethereum 5 or 3.5 is still 76. Like it's still free money. Like it's not 99%. Like you're still 25% trade, Tyler. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. I want to see. Okay, so Pingu's at 2 billion. So you need a 10% move to get 3x. So you get 3x on a 10% move in the next 8 days. That was also one of Blunt's in the Blunt's Fartcoin video. It was Pingu and Fartcoin. So I actually think that's an interesting.
I need to request a Fartcoin market again. What else is?
I love this new Solana all-time high. Oh, it's 40%. I would have thought that was lower. I don't love it.
A lot of people don't seem to believe it's going to hit it. He's not leaving, Powell, because he's getting in line right now. Like this is 89%, I guess. This would be one of the best ones.
Yeah.
And then fear, greed, we don't really care about that anymore. And then those are the market ones. I mean, we're about to hit 58% here on dominance. Rec market cap. And these are points now.
These are points, yeah.
Yeah, these are points. Let's go back to Linea real quick. Market 116, brother. I mean, I like this, even though it's 70% already. Dude, like yeah, I don't know. I think people are crazy. There you go. It's pumping right now, this market. Will there be a 1B crypto liquidation by end of August? How many people just got liquidated?
Well, shorts can be liquidated.
CoinGlass. Let's see. I think I heard Mando in the studio.
Yeah.
What up? Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Sorry.
How you doing?
Craziness. Very good.
No, you're good.
Very good.
We're just going. So there's not much to cover. So we kind of went through a lot, and then we were looking at some markets because a lot of prediction markets are now off with this pump, right? And a lot of people don't realize you can miss a move on leverage, but you can quickly go around to a prediction market to catch it, right? Because it's not as fast that they move like that. But Mando, did you have time to listen to Powell and everything? Did you see what's went down last 30 minutes? No, you were busy.
I think, he's pretty well. He's indicated he's going to cut rates, so I think we've got a very very high chance of a September rate cut, probably 100% now.
Yeah, Fed Watch jumped from, just so you know, on the show, from 69% to about 85.
Okay.
Sorry. Oh my God, we're at 93% now on Fed Watch.
Yeah, I would have guessed it was higher than that.
Yeah, sorry, no, because it's been live. Like it's been literally started at 60%.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think a good chance. I mean, this is his job. He's meant to tell you what he's going to do. So, as I've said before, like it's not like he's trying to surprise the market. So it's a good thing that he's indicating that. think the number of rate cuts will come into play. I think what we've really just seen though is like crypto. Like I put it earlier this week. Like the reason we were selling off wasn't really macro. It was just illiquid markets.
Yeah.
People getting caught up in like August flow essentially.
Low
And
volume. Yeah.
yeah, it's like macro didn't even move that much. Like
Macro was like all-time high while this happened. Wait, look at this candle, man, though. Look at Ethereum.
yeah, exactly. ETH had a great candle. I bought
Even sold.
a bunch of Link this morning, so I'm kind of now like I'm even bigger in that Link position. I'm kind of a third now.
Mm.
Wait, what's your third? Bitcoin? ETH, Link.
Yeah.
Wow.
What a port.
Like Marines.
Um,
Let's look at the traditional markets. Oh my god, the
That's so good.
SPX. Holy shit. Like a candle like this on S&P. And I'm no macro guy, but this is like billions, right? Well, I don't know. Am I like off here? Look at a fat Greek candle. Look at NASDAQ. It's ridiculous. Damn. Dow Jones all-time high. Yeah. S&P is about to hit an all-time high. I mean, ETH is going all-time high this weekend.
5100. Tommy told us 5100 next.
Oh my god, I love it, man. They don't believe, man, though. Tyler and I were talking about this. They don't believe.
We've got people in the chat asking us about the Fartcoin chart. Should we pull it
All
up?
right, let's bring it up. Yeah, fuck you guys. I'll bring it up. Oh wow, we're good. We're green. This is fine. See this here. We're holding this level here.
Go to the 1 hour chart.
Yeah, on it. There you go.
And
Also,
zoom in.
fat
Yeah.
green. Yeah, I'm too
Nice
zoomed
little
in.
candle. We were at 80 cents this morning. So
Any news?
nice to see it back over 90 cents.
Yeah, I mean it's not bad. How's REKT doing? Let's pull up the memes.
Let's
We
just
have
go around
nothing
the
else.
horn. Well, let's talk about all of our positions.
Let's talk about all our bags. So I want to pump my bags right now. Okay, it's the end of the day. It's our show. REKT is looking good. It's a double. Is that a 2-cup 1-handle thing I'm seeing here?
Rack's
Or-
looking very nice. Look at that.
Nice
But this is actually nice. This is a very healthy pullback. It's like 40%, I think, on REKT to pull back. 30, 40?
You had to know it was coming, right? Like it went
dude.
straight up for 40 days or something.
40% pullback. Okay. Unbothered, moisturized, and thirsty in my lane. And then what else are we looking at?
Light had a nice little rebound.
Okay, let's look at light. Let's go. Not bad.
Yeah, went down
Oh,
into
wow.
about 70 million. Now back to above 90.
There you go.
Another one was due for a pullback.
What else? Which bags do you guys want us to pump? Chat. What are we looking at? Chat. Actually, what are punks at? I haven't looked in a bit.
Oh, thank you for asking. I just refreshed that. 213,000.
Hey, your Bitcoin punk ratio, you're like way in the money. Like you're like way right. So you're good. What are punks at? There was some punks selling under 200K yesterday, by the way. This is nice. That's nice. Mendo, whatever happened to you buying punks?
You bought Link instead.
I bought
Yeah,
Link.
true. Yeah, he's bought a lot of punks worth of Link, I'm sure. Oh, Mando.
I think we're gonna see an NFT rally this weekend.
Classic.
I think this punk floor will be back above 50. You'll probably see Moonbirds run.
Oh, what Moonbird's that?
Ingus move a little bit.
Man, I sent you guys the Moonbirds dip at like 3.2, and I was like, yo, that's probably good. And then like next day, it's like fucking 3.8.
Oh, we've got homies bull posting big coin.
Bitcoin?
Big, the abstract.
All right, let's see what it is. Hey, by the way, everybody, NFA DRUR, and that doesn't mean we're in the positions. We're just looking at the stuff that our listeners have.
Wow, big coin. Oh my god.
Jesus
What a trade.
What the fuck? Jesus, chat's eating, man.
You're in Bitcoin, pivot to Bitcoin.
I actually have a more serious question, man. Though we were looking at the what are we looking at? The next Fed meeting is September 16. Is there anything between now and then?
Well, September is a pretty volatile period in general. I wouldn't necessarily just assume that we're not going to have a clean run here till September. There's a lot of data in between now and then. I think what he has just said is that you will have a rate cut in September. Yeah. I think the whole thing now is like, will you get more than one rate cut this year? And the data around that is a bit more mixed, I would say. But, yeah, wow. We're going to get that.
Abstract memes are flying, dude. What about base memes?
I still am pretty much sidelined. It's sad.
We are, but we did still made the right call. It was like, if you have like it was in the show, man. I don't know, man, was here. It was like, if you only have 10 grand to start with or less, and you're new to the space, you don't just go by Fartcoin or even REKT. Like, it's just still, it's high. Like, you just probably start somewhere like an abstract eco. Or we said Zora too. Where's Zora at actually? 300 mil still. 925 FDV. Also looking good. Actually, also looking good. Damn. Let me pull it up. That's that also. It reminds me of the REKT chart. It actually looks very similar. Wow. What else, guys? Where are you guys? What's the chat into? I'm just so curious. What do you guys buy? Okay, GDP stat is 828, PCE 829, NFP 95. I have no idea what any of this means, but I know Tyler and Milo do though. So we'll see where this takes us. All right. Well, look. I think we could just go and give some money away. There's something else to cover. We're Friday. We have two. Oh yeah, it is 350. So let's give some money away as Bitcoin is at 116. Wow, ETH 46. What's Solana too, man? All three of them are such good coins, man. Like 192, guys. Wow. Jesus. A lot of you just need to just own majors and do nothing, I think. Listen. So ETH is up 8% in 24 hours. Wow. All right. Is it Sims or is it Charlie to give because we have the winner for the sub, and then we have a winner for the thing. Who's doing the wheel here? Let me check. Hold on. Where's Sims? I see Sims in the studio. My WhatsApp is broken. Fuck. 1 sec. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, it's on the board. All right, cool. And there we go. Hall. Who is that? Hall. Congratulations, Hall. You win Fartcoin Friday corn race, baby. Corn race. Hall. Their username is Hall. And the winner for the sub, I think from next week we have the spinning wheel, but we do, just so you guys know, Degenz automates it's all randomized in the back end. The winner, Hall is here. There you go. Hall, you can already pick the coin aside from Fartcoin. So you're gonna have to put 250 on a coin, 250 on Fartcoin, BTC, ETH, Sol, and Doge. Pick one of those, and we'll do it for you. And the winner for the subscribers giveaway is Pornstar YEET. Pornstar. I think he made a clip last week, right? But anyways, it was picked in the back end, and he got the thingy going. Degenz getting a spinner done just for subscribers. It's really hard to do like this. So we're building in, but Pornstar YEET, congratulations. Okay, so Hall's picking BTC. If Pornstar's here, you can pick a coin. If not, Bando Tyler and I is gonna pick for him. But that's what you get right now. Yeet.com. Use the code FOMO hour, and we're gonna go and pick a winner. I'm gonna switch my StreamYard over quickly to the things we can get the sound, because the sound on CoinRace is more fun. So be right there, guys. Be right back.
What are you buying, Tyler?
Go back. There you go.
I'm
can you see me?
Right now.
Or am I like broken up and
trying
shit?
to figure that out.
Can you hear me?
We can.
Check. Can you hear me, Mando?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. I lost Tyler though, but anyways, it's a good way for me to have the actual sound on. All right, so here it is. Yeet. There you go. So we're gonna go to CoinRace. All right, so he controls Bitcoin. So we're gonna do Hall first, and then we're doing a second run for Pornstar. So he picked Bitcoin. Oh wow, Canada announced that we're
Ethereum
removing
wins.
retaliatory tariffs on U.S. goods. Canada just capitulated to USA.
Roll the dice.
Oh, 70x, boys!
Wow. Whose turn is this?
So this is for Hall.
Okay.
And then the second one, I don't. Is Pornstar in the studio? You guys, if you didn't, we're gonna pick for this one.
Fortune.
Let's
on.
go.
Let's get it.
Let's go. Come on, Farcoin, baby. That's $17,000. Come on.
Oh no! Bitcoin's doing all right.
Bitcoin. No.
Newt. Bitcoin wins.
Nice. Let's go.
Yeah. Fuck yes.
Roll
What do
the
we pick for him? ETH?
Yeah, let's go. ETH.
Let's do ETH for Pornstar. Yo, hey, we didn't get Farcoin, but Hall, congratulations. You just made $1,184. Boom.
Come on,
Two, one.
He's the Portman Whisperer.
Let's
Did it
go.
4 times.
Let's go, Pornstar.
Let's make it 5.
Oh yeah, he did it 4 times. He's the guy who made that clip.
Rough.
Yes.
All right, goes out.
Solana. Go.
All right.
Oh, almost. Oh,
Bitcoin
wow.
wins.
Even if Darren didn't, it's all good. We got to win today. That's all that matters. So congratulations to Hall. You made $1,084, so $1,084. And Pornstar Yeet makes $500. Shout out to you for being a subscriber. Just a reminder, every Friday, we do one of the giveaways to a lucky subscriber. Tyler Mendo, higher or lower on Monday? That's a tough one because we pumped pre-Monday already.
Yeah, we did a nice pump just now.
We are pumping, right, guys.
I think we'll be higher.
Higher for sure.
Other question is, Ethereum all-time high by Monday.
That's going to be in range, but I think is he still speaking or is he done speaking?
Done speaking.
No, yo,
20 minutes,
brother. You know what happened? It was elite. He went, he spoke, he got the fuck out. No questions. Nothing.
Nice.
Walked in, walked right out. Does that skew your answer now?
Then I think we have a nice little period here.
Let's go. Let's go.
Probably
Let's
this weekend.
That's it. All right, guys. Well, with that, we'll see y'all Monday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for another episode of FOMO Hour on Rug Radio. Let's go.